Welcome back to Enough About Cars. Today, we're tackling the rear brake pads on a Chrysler 300, because we love you, and we know you'd rather spend your money on tacos than on a mechanic. Lift the car with the jack and secure it with jack stands. Remove the lug nuts completely and take off the wheel. Voila, you're officially halfway to being a pro. Next, locate the two bolts on the back of the brake caliper. Use your socket wrench to remove them. If they're being stubborn, don't be afraid to channel your inner action hero. Once the bolts are out, carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. And please, don't let it dangle by the brake line. Use a hanger, box, or your most expensive hardcover book. With the caliper removed, you'll see the brake pads. Slide them out of their slots like you're removing a slice of cake. Remember how they're positioned, or don't, because you're watching this video. Before installing the new pads, compress the caliper piston. Use a C-clamp or a brake caliper tool and gently push the piston back into the caliper. Think of it as tucking the caliper in for a good nap. Before installing, apply a tiny bit of brake grease to the back and edges of the new pads. It's like lotion for your car, keeps things smooth. Slide the new pads into the caliper bracket. Reinstall the caliper over the pads and rotor, then secure it with the two bolts. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the rear brake pads on your Chrysler 300. Don't forget to pump the brake pedal a few times before driving. If you laughed, learned, or just enjoyed watching us pretend to be experts, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell.